Welcome back. You know, the Congenital Heart Center at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, it specializes in diagnosing and treating all congenital heart conditions, regardless of age. It is the only such program in West Michigan and one of the few centers in the country that can offer seamless transition of care as patients mature into adulthood. Joining us today is Dr. Joseph Vettukattil. He's the co-director for the Congenital Heart Center at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital to discuss some of the new advancements of his program and how it can help patients with care that is close to home right here in West Michigan. Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning, Todd.
Thanks for joining us. Tell us a little bit first about what is a congenital heart condition and how would someone know they have one?
Well, congenital heart disease is something what a patient is born with. That means the defect is already present when the child is born. And when a defect manifests with symptoms, it becomes congenital heart disease. It is the commonest birth defect in any newborn baby.
And when it comes to symptoms, what type of symptoms would someone have if they had a congenital heart condition?
It varies significantly. Some may be completely symptom-free and you wouldn't even know that your baby has a heart defect. Quite often that can be detected by a fetal scan before the baby is born. As soon as the baby is born, the severest form of the defect presents with blue lips and low saturations or low oxygenation in the body. Some of them fail to feed. Some children shows breathlessness and they do not gain weight, or they have rhythm problems of the heart. So there is a broad spectrum of problems that a child would present with.
And how common is congenital heart disease?
I mean, it's the commonest birth defect, but it affects about 1 in 100 newborn babies.
Okay. And you've got lifelong care. That's what Helen DeVos Children's Hospital, what they're offering, all the way up into adulthood. What does that look like?
Well, at present, there are about 600,000 children with congenital heart disease, and 95% of them now are graduating into adults, and they continue to have some form of residual problem which needs continuous monitoring. So at present, there are about 1.5 million adults with congenital heart disease. So there is a huge number of people who need continued support, and most patients may not be aware, or they may feel that the heart problem is already fixed, and only they will wait till their heart fails, and that is too late to come to help. So it's important to realize that if you are born with a heart defect, you need lifelong care and monitoring, especially during periods like pregnancy or childbirth. Before that, any patient who is known to have had a heart defect needs complete assessment by an expert who is trained in that field. And other aspect is that a patient who goes for any other form of unrelated surgeries should be evaluated carefully so that they can be assessed before they have any form of intervention done on them. Because without knowing these conditions, if you undergo interventions, that may be detrimental.
And of course, it's wonderful to be able to stay at the same place and not have to take it to one specialist, another place. It's great Helen DeVos Children's Hospital can take from birth all the way up into adulthood. What about some innovations that your team is working on right now?
I mean, we are very patient focused. So when a patient comes with a heart problem, though we say it is congenital heart defect, it is an array of malformations in the heart. So each patient is unique, and we need to identify what exactly is the problem by expert analysis of the heart structure. And we have developed innovative understanding of heart's malformation by advanced imaging. So we were first in the world to do a 3D printed model from an ultrasound of the heart. Now we have gone a few steps further. So we can fuse the images from MRI, CT, or echocardiogram of the same patient and bring them together and visualize in a 3-dimensional platform. So the heart actually comes live in front of you, and we can rotate and see in relationship to other organs or other structures in the body and understand exactly what is wrong and measure accurately, and then intervene and design management plans. So that is very unique. Other development that we have is research into the causes of congenital heart defect. So we have a grant recently received, which is about 2.2 million to research into the causes of congenital heart defect. Then we have other advances in terms of prototyping. We have already patented 2 devices at Congenital Heart Center. which is now established in Europe and coming to US for treating complex congenital heart defects. So we have a lot of step-by-step innovations that's happening under our roof here in West Michigan to help our patients. And we are getting patients even from outside state or even other countries to get support for their congenital heart defect now. And now our program is rated one of the best in the country.
It's amazing when you mentioned that you could see the heart come alive right there in front of you to diagnose and treat these symptoms and this condition. But having this right here in our backyard in West Michigan, I'm sure that's a lifesaver, isn't it?
Absolutely. I think the impact of what we have done in West Michigan is striking. We have reduced the mortality rate from congenital heart defect in this population significantly, almost half it in last 10 years, which is a great achievement for the population and the people who are supporting us in West Michigan.
Well, Dr. Vettukattil, we appreciate your time this morning. If you'd like more information about the Congenital Heart Center, ranked best by U.S. News and World Report right here in West Michigan, 616-267-9150, or you can go to HelenDeVosChildren's.org for more information.